2026 Honda Jazz Crosstar 1.5 HEV represents a thoughtful evolution of Honda's subcompact hybrid line, merging urban practicality with a hint of off-road readiness. Visually distinguished from its standard Jazz counterpart by protective body cladding, integrated roof rails, and a raised ride height, the Crosstar projects a more adventurous personality. However, this aesthetic transformation is not purely cosmetic. The ride quality has been subtly enhanced to accommodate light, rough terrain, while maintaining the composed, efficient driving dynamics for which Honda's hybrid system is well known. The 1.5-litre HEV powertrain delivers an impressively smooth transition between electric and gasoline propulsion, optimizing fuel economy without sacrificing responsiveness. Inside, the Crosstar maintains the Jazz's hallmark spaciousness and interior flexibility. The Magic Seat system, allowing for multiple cargo and seating configurations, remains a standout feature in this segment, enabling users to transport tall, long, or bulky items with ease. The cabin is notable for its airy design and excellent visibility, thanks to large windows and a flat, minimalist dashboard. Technological amenities, including an intuitive infotainment interface with standard Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, further reinforce the vehicle's appeal to both tech-savvy and practical-minded drivers. The materials, including water-resistant upholstery, are clearly chosen with real-world utility in mind. On the road, the Jazz Crosstar is refined, albeit not performance-oriented. While the hybrid system performs admirably in typical driving conditions, spirited acceleration reveals the limitations of the CVT and a somewhat intrusive engine note under heavy throttle. That said, road and wind noise are impressively suppressed at cruising speeds. As a compact crossover-styled hatchback, the Jazz Crosstar excels in delivering versatility, comfort, and efficiency without straying into excess.